And another update on my salad table, my large salad table. So this was planted 18 days ago, so less than 3 weeks, and check out the growth, this is amazing. And it's really honestly time to harvest, so here we go. Bit of cos lettuce, make some nice chicken Caesar salad out of that. There's a smaller one there that I'll let go. Actual fact, when you do harvest, it just gives the other plants that may need a little bit more light a chance to explode like these ones did. I'll put these in all at the same time as well. I'd recommend just to stagger, maybe do a row every week, and then every week you'll have a nice harvest of around about the same size varieties. There's some more lettuce there. That's actually a mesclun lettuce. You can check that out. So with the mesclun, you get a range of seeds, of lettuce seeds in a pack. So you can see there's some oak leaf and some other types of lettuce there. Maybe a bit of coral in there as well. So yeah, that's pretty good. I love that stuff. Oh, here we go. We've got another 2 cos in there. I must have dropped a seed from the kale as well. You can see that starting to grow. Let's take that out. Speaking of which, look at that kale. That's looking really nice there. I'm going to I'll keep that in there because you can get the kale really, really big. I love it for juicing, but more I like it for kale chips. Just get those little kale chips going. They're beautiful. It's a much better alternative to your normal fried potato chips. More lettuce here. You can probably notice that there's a lot of lettuce that's ready to harvest. They grow much faster than most of the other varieties as well. Some really nice silver beet there. That's just beautiful. Look at that, nice, really green, thick. And when you pick it younger like this, it's really sweet too. Just got really nice flavour. What else can I pick off here? I'll do another video later on with some chicken salad as well, and I might even grab some of these, pick and put these back in, just pick a few out in my little rocket there as well, maybe put some chives in. And my mint is really starting to take off. Look at that. That mint, that's doubled at least in a week. It did take a little bit of time to kick along. Starting to throw little shoots out everywhere there. Yeah, that's fantastic. That just gets really big. It grows like a weed eventually, but it's starting to take off now. Some more mesclun here that's ready to go as well. You can see there's really nice red colours in some of this lettuce too. It's just really love it. Just really nice sweet flavour that. It's, like I say, less than 3 weeks, and it's time for me to fill up the tank. So it's down to about 20 litres. So I've used about 80 litres for this entire crop so far, which is absolutely fantastic. You'll save about 90% water when it comes to hydroponic gardening compared to soil gardening. So I'll fill that up. The benefit of trying to leave the container as full as possible just keeps the temperature variations down. So instead of getting really hot during the day and then cool during the night, your temperature variations will be cooler during the day and just a little bit warmer during the night, which is absolutely perfect for your plants. So yeah, there you go. How cool is that? Oh, I got some more silver beet over here that I might leave that in for a little bit longer too. And that'll allow the plants, I'll just move this around and yeah, we'll put some more seedlings in as well. Oh, gotta love it. How cool is this? Oh, didn't notice him. How red that is. You can see where the sun's shining or not. Look at that. Some coral. Well, there you go. The large salad table, harvested after only 18 days. Mainly lettuce, of course.